Hello friends, this problem is taken from Oxford admission test. In this case, two positive integers are given, so a and b are two positive integers, and a condition is given, that is a plus b is equals to 20. Then we have to find the maximum value of a square times b. Now there can be many approaches that can be used to solve this problem. Now in this video I will use a calculus based approach and I will solve this problem. So this is a calculus based approach. The condition is given, that is a plus b is equals to 20. So if I take a to the right hand side, this becomes b is equals to 20 minus a. We have to maximize a square b. Now if you see this, there are two variables, a as well as b. We want to convert this into one variable, and this can be done with the help of this condition, that is b is equals to 20 minus a. So I will replace b here with 20 minus a. So if you plug the value of b, this becomes a square times 20 minus a. Now let us expand this. So this becomes a square times 20, that is 20a square, and a square times minus a, that is minus a cube. So 20a square minus a cube, this is my function. Let's call this function as fa because this has only one variable and this variable is a. Now if you remember, if we have to maximize or minimize a function, we first differentiate that function and we get the critical points. So this means if I want to maximize this function, I have to differentiate this function. And what is my function? This is my function. fa is equals to 20a square minus a cube. We have to differentiate this function with respect to a because a is the variable. So now I can write dfa by dA, this is equals to differentiation of this. 20 is a constant, it will remain 20, and differentiation of a square, that is 2a. This means 20 times 2a, that is 40a. And differentiation of a cube will be 3a square. So in this case I am using the formula, that is differentiation of x raised to the power n is equals to nxn minus 1. So now this is after the differentiation. So I have to equate it to 0. So for maximum or minimum, this has to be equal to 0. So this means 40a minus 3a square equals to 0. Now I can take a common. So I can rewrite, that is 40 minus 3a. So this means either a is equals to 0 or this thing is equals to 0. So the first situation, either a is equals to 0, and this a is equals to 0 is not possible because a and b are positive integers. A equals to 0 is not a positive integer. So this is not possible. So second solution will come from here. That is 40 minus 3a is equals to 0. This means a is equals to 40 divided by 3. So a is equals to 40 divided by 3. And 40 divided by 3, that is 13.33. So now this is an integer. A and b are positive integers, but here I have a fraction. So this means I have to take the nearest integer. So nearest integer is 13. So the value of a is equals to 13. So once I know the value of a, I can get the value of b. That is 20 minus 13, because this is a plus b is equals to 20. So 20 minus 13, that is equals to 7. So the value of b is equals to 7. So now I can get the maximum value, that is a square b. So a is 13 square and b is 7. So 13 square times 7, this value is 1183. So this is the maximum value of a square b. Basically we can also show that this is the maximum value. This means this is the point, that these critical points a equals to 0, this is a equals to 0, or a equals to 40 by 3, basically corresponds to critical points, and then if I differentiate this again, then I can show at these critical points we can have maxima or minima. So for maxima, the condition is second differentiation should be negative. So let us differentiate this function once again. So if I differentiate this function once again, so this will be d2fa. So this is second differentiation. There is a mistake or typing. So this is d2fa divided by dA, or you can say d2fa by dA. And differentiation of a is simply 1. So this is 40. And this 3a square, differentiation of a square is 2a. So this is minus 6a. Now plug the value of a. A is what? So the critical value is 13. So if you plug a equals to 13, so this is 13 times 6, that is 78. So this is negative. This means when a is equals to 13, we have maximum value, because the condition is when d2fa by dA, so this is d2a by dA, d2a by dA2 is less than 0, then we get the maximum value. So the maximum value is 1183. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel, subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.